In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter data in Smartsheet. View Control 2026. Filtering lets you zero in on exactly the rows you need, so you can work faster and make better decisions without sifting through every line. Start by opening your browser and going to smartsheet.com. This works best on a modern browser, and you'll want a stable internet connection so your changes save immediately. Next, sign into your Smartsheet account. Use your usual method, email and password, single sign-on, or whichever option your organization uses. If you're prompted for multi-factor authentication, complete that step and you'll be taken into your account. After you log in, you'll land on your home page. Here you'll see your recent items, favorites, and workspaces. Think of this as your hub for everything you've been working on. We're going to open the sheet you want to filter. If you already know where it lives, great. If not, look to the left panel for workspaces and sheets. Click all workspaces on the left to view everything you have access to. Choose the specific workspace that contains your sheet, then select the sheet itself to open it. Give it a moment to load. Once you see the grid with columns and rows, you're in the right place to filter. In the sheet view, look for the filter menu in the top toolbar. It's typically represented by a funnel icon and labeled filter. This is where you'll manage all your filtering rules. Now let's filter it. Click filter, then choose create new filter. You'll see options to configure your filter. Give it a clear name so you can find it later. Naming is optional, but it's helpful, especially if you plan to reuse it. If you want teammates to use the same filter, turn on the share filter option provided you have the permissions to share views in your workspace. Under show rows that match all conditions, you'll define the rules. All conditions means a row must satisfy every rule you add. Choose a field from the drop-down, select the appropriate operator, and enter or pick the value you want to match. Add additional conditions if you need to narrow results further. If your sheet uses hierarchy, consider checking. Include parent rows so summary or parent tasks remain visible, even when only their children match the criteria. This keeps context intact. When you're done setting the conditions, click Apply. Your sheet will instantly update to display only the rows that meet your rules, helping you focus on what matters most.